At Eikon Motorsports, we don't just build products, we engineer evolution. And it all starts with what sets us apart, our exclusive rollerball system. This isn't just a feature, it's a breakthrough. The Eikon V2 series is the only vertical door kit on the market that's completely friction-free. Our rollerball mechanism allows for ultra-smooth operation, drastically reducing wear and eliminating the common issues that plague traditional lift systems. Today, we're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at our design process, where performance and precision go hand in hand. From CAD modeling to prototyping and real-world testing, every inch of our V2 series kit is built with durability and fitment accuracy in mind. We don't believe in shortcuts. Every component is engineered to handle real-world use with tolerances that meet, and often exceed, OEM standards. We're not guessing. We're measuring, testing, redesigning. Because your build deserves more than just good enough. It deserves engineering with intent.
But it doesn't stop at strength. We design around the system itself. Our rollerball mechanism isn't an add-on, it's the core of the experience. Every bracket, arm, and anchor point is engineered to seamlessly integrate with the rollerball's movement, reducing stress on the hinges and delivering consistent, fluid motion every time the doors go up. No binding, no jerking, just precision lift, again and again. At Eikon, we don't sit in an ivory tower. We listen, we learn, and we actually use real feedback from our community, from daily drivers to show car builders. Your input fuels our innovation. When you speak, we design. That's how we create vertical door kits that not only perform, but deliver what customers genuinely want. And here's what truly sets us apart. The Eikon V2 series is the only vertical door kit on the market that comes with a lifetime shock replacement, because performance doesn't stop after install day, and neither does our support. You can trust that your doors will keep performing, year after year, with zero compromise. We meticulously check clearances. We refine every angle. We chase the sleek OEM quality finish because we believe aftermarket should never mean afterthought. And above all, we stand behind what we build. Every Eikon V2 C8 vertical door system is backed by a lifetime warranty, and now, lifetime shock support too. Because we don't just build with pride, we build with purpose. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the evolution. This is Eikon Motorsports.